Hi, Tutor Luis Armando Preciado. This is my course A2 English, Tags for Oral Production. My name is Luis Rafael Bustos Espinosa. Where are you going to travel? In the 2021, I will travel La Guajira, Cabo de la Vela. It is desert and secret land for the Wayuu, native tribes of this land. I will go Cabo de la Vela. There will to all enjoy one of the best of Colombia. The lodgings there are usually the same as the Wayuu house. They are called rancherias. They function as hotel. Located in the front of the sea to offer a more relaxed experience. What are you going to bring? I will take my family. We will also bring some with because the people who live there are impoverished. In addition to food and drink, we hope to help. I will also invite my business partner, and I will also invite my parents. Who are you going to invite on that trip? I will with my children and my wife. I will walk on the beach and will bathe in the sea. I will play volleyball playa with my children. We will visit the people who live there, and I will give you the gift. How much money will you spend there? I will like about the 2 million pesos. During dessert, lodging, and some souvenirs. Will you bring souvenirs from your vacation? Yes, I will bring some bag and kidney. It is culture of the native to weave. Dance.